Okay, everybody, what we have here is a Sony KDS-R60XBR1. Some people have problems when they reinstall the light engine that there's about an inch or inch and a half gap at the top of the light or of the TV. The first way to adjust for that is to remove this panel, which you're probably already familiar with. I've already done this. And up under here, see those three black plastic? Loosen these screws, not very much, and then right there is an Allen wrench cam. It's made out of plastic, so try not to strip it. And so there's two of them, okay? Now if you adjust those, you will probably be able to get it up a half inch to an inch, or level the if it's tilted horizontally one way or the other. Anyway, that's the only adjustment for this light engine. Ignore. So make sure these screws are tight right here, these four, and then loosen these just a little bit and try not to strip out those Allen wrenches. And if that doesn't quite cut it for you, we can go in the service menu and do some adjustments in there. We can do a vertical center shift and raise it up so you have full coverage at the top of your TV. Alright, appreciate you watching. Thanks. Bye.